Do you understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? In the next few minutes, you'll hear a natural English conversation that can help you sound more fluent, speak more naturally, and build confidence in real-life situations.
Talking about feeling tired in the morning.
Good morning, Emma. You look a little tired today. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Alex. Honestly, I did not sleep very well because I stayed awake much later than usual.
That sounds difficult. What kept you awake for so many hours during the night?
I was watching videos online, and before I realized it, it was already after midnight.
I understand that feeling because time seems to pass very quickly when we are enjoying something.
Exactly. And then I had to wake up early for work, so I only slept for about 5 hours.
No wonder you feel tired this morning because 5 hours of sleep is not very much.
Yes, I feel sleepy and it is hard for me to focus on anything right now.
Do you usually feel tired in the morning, or is today different from your normal routine?
Usually I feel quite energetic in the morning, but today is definitely different.
I can tell because you seem quieter than usual and a little less enthusiastic.
You are right, because my energy level is much lower than it normally is.
Have you had breakfast yet, or were you too tired to prepare anything?
I ate a small breakfast, but I was in such a hurry that I could not enjoy it.
A healthy breakfast can sometimes help us feel more awake and ready for the day.
I agree, but I think what I really need is a little more sleep.
That makes sense because sleep is one of the most important things for our health.
I have noticed that when I do not sleep enough, I become less productive during the day.
The same thing happens to me because lack of sleep affects my concentration.
It is frustrating because I have several important tasks to complete today.
Maybe you should take short breaks throughout the day to help yourself stay alert.
That is a good idea because sitting and working continuously makes me feel even sleepier.
Some people also say that drinking enough water helps them feel more awake.
I have heard that too, and I probably need to drink more water during the day.
Do you drink coffee when you feel tired in the morning?
Yes, I usually drink 1 cup of coffee, but today I think I need 2 cups.
Just be careful not to drink too much because it could affect your sleep tonight.
That is true, and I definitely do not want to repeat the same mistake again.
What time do you usually go to bed on a normal day?
I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock and wake up at 6 in the morning.
That sounds like a healthy schedule when you are able to follow it consistently.
Yes, I feel much better when I stick to that routine every day.
Creating a regular sleep schedule can make a big difference in how we feel.
I completely agree because my body seems to work better when my routine is consistent.
Have you ever tried reading a book before bed instead of watching videos?
I have tried that before, and it usually helps me relax and fall asleep more easily.
Maybe you should return to that habit if it helps you sleep better.
I think that is a great suggestion, and I will try it again tonight.
Another thing that helps me is turning off my phone at least 30 minutes before bedtime.
That sounds helpful because I often spend too much time looking at my phone screen.
The bright light from screens can sometimes make it harder for us to fall asleep.
I have read about that, but I often forget to follow that advice.
We all have habits that are difficult to change, but small improvements can make a big difference.
That is encouraging because I do not need to be perfect. I just need to improve gradually.
Exactly. And getting enough sleep can improve both your mood and your productivity.
I can definitely see that because I feel happier and more focused after a good night's sleep.
What are your plans after work today?
I plan to go home, eat dinner, and relax instead of staying up late.
That sounds like a smart plan if you want to recover from your lack of sleep.
Yes, I think my body is telling me that it needs some rest.
Listening to your body is important because it often tells you what you need.
I agree. And today, my body is clearly asking for more sleep.
Hopefully, you will feel much better tomorrow after getting a full night's rest.
I hope so too, because I do not enjoy feeling tired and sleepy all day.
At least you know what caused the problem, which makes it easier to avoid next time.
That is true. And I will try to be more disciplined with my bedtime routine.
I think that is a great decision and one that will benefit you in the long run.
Thank you for the advice and for listening to me talk about my sleepy morning.
You are welcome, and I hope the rest of your day goes smoothly and successfully.
Thanks, Alex. I am looking forward to getting a good night's sleep and feeling refreshed tomorrow.